Hello, this is Tristan from clocksupcycled.co.uk, and this is another customer commission, another successful conversion from a clockwork wind-up clock to quartz, but at the same time trying to keep the clock looking as authentic as possible. So we've still got all the original control dials, winders, etc. on the back. We do a lot of 3D printing, so inside here, like these little fellas, we've printed to hold the keys on, and a few other bits and bobs inside. But the main aim is to make the clock look like it did when it was mechanical. So we've got the original hands have been reworked to fit the new movement. We've also applied some Swiss loom onto the hands to make them glow at night time. All the customer really wanted was a clock to be telling them accurate time of day and also to be quiet. So this is a very quiet sweep movement, so there's no noise from this at all. And that's it, complete. A cost of this conversion was just under £60, including return delivery. If you've got anything similar, then please drop us an email with some photos, and I'd be pleased to give you a quote. Thank you. Bye.